has a car or she have a car. Which one do you think is grammatically correct? Well, hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about the usage of has, have, and had and their differences. Also, make sure to watch this video till the end because there's a practice exercise to test your understanding. So let's get started. Look at this table carefully to understand it. The very first thing that we should remember is has and have are used with the simple present tense, whereas had is used with the simple past tense. So we're gonna use have with pronouns like I, you, we, they. For example, I have, you have, we have, they have. Whereas has is used with pronouns like he, she, it. For example, he has, she has, it has. That was quite simple, right? Now, remember that had will be used with all these pronouns, specifically when the sentence is in the simple past tense. Let's read and understand these various examples to understand them better. Has. He has 5 oranges. She is the only one who has done the assignment. My brother has a blue shirt. So remember that you will say my brother has and not my brother have. Okay? Now let's talk about have. I have many storybooks. Max and Ryan have 2 brothers. They have a beautiful resort by the lake. You have 5 pencils. Let's talk about had. They had no money that time. The room had no windows. Yesterday, I had a piece of toast and a cup of tea. So, always remember that had is used with simple past tense. तो अगर सेंटेंस में कोई भी पास्ट की बात हो रही हो तभी हम had यूज करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये पास्ट की बात कर रहे हैं राइट और यहाँ पे हमने yesterday यूज करा है that indicates past. Okay. I hope by now you have understood the concept. So let's try to answer these questions to test our understanding. Number 1. The boys dash a fight yesterday. So sentence में yesterday की बात हो रही है, that means ये past है. So we will use had. Okay. Number 2. The dog dashed an injury but now he's fine. तो dog को injury हुई थी but अब वो ठीक है. तो ये भी हम past के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So it will be the dog had an injury. Okay. Now for the rest of these questions, I want you to try them out. So kindly pause this video and answer them. Check your answers here. If you have tried to answer the remaining questions on your own, do tell me your score in the comment section below. Alright, thank you all for watching this video till the end. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and have a good day.